Hello, welcome to another creative workshop with me, Mr. The Beef. This one's about making quick, easy and cheap stickers. Some clear lacquer spray, a little thermal printer and some sticker paper. Now you can see I've drawn one in pen and one in pencil just to show you. I usually do this with my phone, but I've used the iPad here because I was filming with my phone. So the thermal printers are very simple, so you just need a simple black and white image. So as you can see, tweak the levels or the brightness, however you would normally do it. Like I said, I normally do it on my phone, but I'm doing it on the iPad here. You can see here, the paper is quite cheap. This is a sticker I made, hasn't been sprayed. This has been sprayed. You can see you've got a slight sheen on it and it'll be a bit more weatherproof. So open up your image you've just edited in the printer app and get it printed out. You can see I'm printing one that I did in pen, nice and bold, and the other one that I did in pencil, just so you can see the difference in the line quality, but they're still quite cool. So I'm just doing one of each to show you. Once you've got them printed out, just give them a quick spray with the lacquer and let them dry. You can leave them on the torn out bits of paper or cut them out and they look wicked. You can also print out larger stickers here by splicing them. You can do that through the app because there's a whole load of extra features in the apps. Anyway, thanks for watching. Get out there and make some stickers. Give me a nudge if you need some advice. Cheers, me ducks.